Happy almost Friday, y'all. Mortgage interest rates are in Whiplash. They increased over 1/3% to almost 7% for the top applicants this week, basically following the tariff news. Considering we're still in a similar range, though, as the last few months after all this news, I think rates have more opportunity to come down over the next year than to go up significantly. Tariff news is hard to keep up with, and interest rates and markets are probably going to be volatile for the near future. The March CPI inflation report came out today. Inflation was well below expected. Inflation in all major categories except durable goods fell in March. Also, core CPI was the lowest monthly reading since 2021. This would typically be great news for mortgage rates, but the bond market didn't care. It's data from the past, and tariff expectations weigh more heavily on inflation expectations. DFW active listings is the highest in the data set available, which only goes back to 2016. It's up 38% year over year, 55% compared to 2018, and 17% compared to 2019. So in summary, tariff news will be constant and dominating the markets. Most folks also missed this recent opportunity to benefit from a refinance. If considering a refinance, it's a good idea to be ready with a goal rate and a pre-approval going. The window of opportunity might be a quick one. Also, I consider this a buyer's market. Of course, it depends on specific properties, but be confident in negotiations and you have an opportunity to buy a house you love. As always, if you have questions about this data or questions about buying a house, let me know.